Does communication still relatable? Does it still important and useful for the society? Of course, because communication is one of the key of life. Hi, I am Denisha Salsabila Lutfiandra, and I work as a marketing communication at one of the best four-star resort in Bandung, Indonesia. In my work field as a hotelier, I do think that communication is important and useful. Best service bring more customer, and more customer bring more benefit. The power of communication is also described when I took my bachelor degree in international relation major at Parahyangan Catholic University in Bandung, Indonesia. From where I studied, diplomacy can bring peace and cooperation between states or even between every human in the world. Supported by the various media and the transition of globalization along with the time, there are many forms of communications. But one thing is important that is only can be done by human being. Conversations, negotiations, and even dispute cannot be done by the robots. The effect of the message, news, and campaign have on society is big and important. So that's why I don't want to stop to learn about communication. With the knowledge I have known, I still want to learn more. That's why I choose Hans University to be my next place to learn communication, especially in international communication major, because this is crucial for me. I know that I can have new knowledge by studying at Hans University, and I can optimizing my ability so that it can be useful for me and my country in the future. Thank you.